Yeah, I think at the very base of it, just India continues to be Amazon's one of the largest long-term opportunities. I mean, we have just gotten started. There is so much opportunity ahead as India becomes Viksit. So when I look forward 5 years, I would just caution that I'm guaranteed to be wrong. And it's likely to be a much bigger impact than what I can even dream of today. But we estimate that we are going to invest over $35 billion incrementally across our businesses. And when I look at the 3 pillars that we set for ourselves as a part of the Sambhav platform, we would continue to measure our progress along those 3 pillars, which happen to be digitization, job creation, and exports. So when I look at kind of what's next for us over the next 5 years, we anticipate that the momentum that we have with exports right now and through other programs that the team is introducing, including Accelerate Exports, we estimate that we would create a cumulative $80 billion of exports by 2030.
$80 billion of
$80 billion of cumulative exports by 2030. When we look at job creation, so let me just give you an idea of 2024 itself. What happens is each time you open up a fulfillment center or a logistics space, a delivery station, you create thousands, hundreds and thousands of jobs around it. In directly, indirectly, seasonal jobs in the industries that support that. So just in 2024, we opened up 17 new fulfillment centers, 6 sortation centers, and 75 delivery stations. So when we look at our business over the next 5 years as we continue serving India, we anticipate that by 2030, we would be supporting 3.8 million new jobs, both direct, indirect, and seasonal jobs. That is an incremental 1 million jobs by 2030. And then finally, as a theme of today's event, Viksit Bharat Ki Tayari, with AI very prominently highlighted there, it's probably the largest disruption that all of us are part of. And we want to, at Amazon, make AI accessible to millions of customers and sellers. So we are taking a pledge to introduce AI to over 15 million small businesses through our activities. We want to improve our experience to have hundreds of millions of Indians experience AI. And then finally, we are so proud of our CSR efforts through Amazon Future Engineer and just focus on education that we want to bring AI to 4 million government school children and invest in AI literacy. So overall, very excited about what's to come in the next 5 years.